You can see it here on our surface map, beginning to slide south. Cold air arrives behind it, strong winds behind it as well into this evening as we're caught between high and low pressure. That pressure gradient force really ramps on up those wind speeds, so could end up seeing some wind gusts, like I said, up to 60 miles per hour in Cook County. Impressive stuff. That's before high pressure takes on over tomorrow and calms those winds down. And then going on into our Friday, we'll see some fairly calmer conditions. A weak clipper system on Friday could bring some light snow flurries or snow showers to the region. That's about it. So I mentioned those snow squalls possible this morning. Just want to keep an eye out there for quickly reducing visibility and quickly covering roadways through about 8 a.m. And then it'll just be light snow showers to contend with for most of us with windy conditions. And then lake effect snow ramps on up into Ashland and Iron County as well as Gogebic County beginning through about midday today into tonight and tomorrow morning. And that snow will pile up quickly there along the South Shore. Everywhere else, we're looking at those windy conditions and then clearing on out tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, many of us seeing some sunshine and light winds. Could see another trace to an inch of snow from those snow showers today, though it will be blowing around so much you probably won't notice it. And then once you get on into the South Shore, 1 to 3 inches of snow on the Bayfield Peninsula, and then 6 to 12 inches of snow once you get out towards Ironwood. And like I mentioned, you know, I've been harping on these winds, but northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour, perhaps even sustained at 35 miles per hour Duluth, 41 miles per hour to Two Harbors and Grand Marais. So very impressive stuff. That's where we could see the, you know, some wind damage even from non-severe thunderstorm winds. So just want to keep an eye out for that. By the time we get on into tomorrow, however, those winds really calming on down. Wind chills will also be a factor of 15 to 25 below by tonight with those strong winds and temperatures dropping into the single digits. Want to be aware that we could see some, you know, very, very cold conditions as well. Temperatures right now, not too cold, but falling in International Falls where that cold front has already moved through. So just keep an eye out for that. Temperatures today, deceivingly warm, but they'll fall throughout the day. Single digits by sunset for the entirety of the region, 16 tomorrow, and then we warm back up into the 30s this weekend as some rain and snow arrives by Sunday.